I'm playing Adventure Academy today. I'm going to show you how it can look like your pets. So just want you to know that you won't actually be your pet. So yeah, you're going to need to sign up for Tag for this. Okay. And you're going to wait until this is 5 seconds. Sometimes there will be a weird glitch where you can't see really anything. It's really sad. Okay. Then I'm going to press that, and then I'm going to press this gizmo, and I'm going to press help. It takes a while, because it'll be blue, and then it'll turn white, and this corner will say, please wait a moment. See? Then you're going to wait till it shows this, and you're going to wait 8 seconds. Then you're going to press return to game. I have all my buttons, which is pretty cool. So we're going to want this game to go like super fast. That's why I got tapped. Sometimes I just hope people aren't soul survivors this time. It's where you survive 3 minutes and you're usually in first place. So it's not fun for me when I want to do this glitch. So you can chat in Tag here. This is one way. But if you want to turn it invisible, as you teleport, you're going to need to be super careful with this, by the way. You're going to put something else on, like a different dress or something. I'm just going to focus on tagging people. You might want to get tagged at the start because you can help it go faster, the game. Okay. There are 2 people left. Okay, now there's 1 person. Hopefully they won't be a soul survivor, though I doubt it. Okay, we're cutting it close. They're probably gonna be a soul survivor here. Okay, and I'm gonna press this. Equip that. And look, I'm invisible. You can't see me, you can really only, sometimes you can see my shadow. Now it looks like I'm my pet. So I can press this and walk really slow so my pet can keep up with me. That way, I don't know if it shows my name or not, but that way it looks like if my name does show to other people, it looks like I'm my pet dragon. So yeah, you'll be invisible if you press other places, but I'm gonna go to my home and show you another way you can do this. So I've tried it at Shady Dave's before. It sort of works there, but this really only works at my house or your house. So you unlock your own house at level 6. If you're not on level 6, I recommend doing the invisible trick. See, I'm still invisible, yay. And we're gonna wait. Hate the loading. So I don't have to walk there, I can just press the door. Which is a relief. So this way will work awesomely if you're invisible. So yeah. But yeah, you'll need your pet for both of these if you want. You can see my shadow there. I'm gonna go in a corner. I'm gonna go to pets. I'm gonna find my pet. Here's Plum, and I'm gonna deselect him so I don't have a pet. Then I'm gonna select him again. Sometimes he'll go outside, like he just did. Other times, he'll come in the middle and, I don't know, be running around. So, yeah. Probably gonna select my Puffin. Deselect her. Select her again. Sometimes they'll just stay there, but yeah. It's really cool. So, that's all for today. I hope you guys had an awesome time, and make sure to like and subscribe and have fun doing these glitches. But your pet will go in the middle and circle around if you try this glitch. Bye!